What's going on YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm out in the garage. We're going to be installing some, as you see here, Luxe Taillight tint on the 22 wide body. So this is going to be the very first mod that we are doing on it. I bought just the backup light and brake light turn signal. So there's going to be a piece of film here and a piece of film here. On my 21, I did all the way across and deleted the Dodge. My fiance wants to keep Dodge here, so we are just going to do the two, reverse and brake turn on either side, and we're not going to go all the way across. And this is actually going to be a lot easier of an install than going all the way across. I had a heck of a time doing it on mine. So yeah, it's about 90 degrees outside, so it's not the best weather to be doing this in, but that's what we have, and we're going to get it installed anyway. So I'm going to show you guys how I do it, and hopefully you will have the confidence to be able to do it yourself. Alright, so let's take a quick look at what you get in the package. So 30 bucks. Luxe always sends a nice microfiber, some alcohol to pre-clean before you install the vinyl, and a sticker and a little squeegee. Going to be helpful later on. And also what Luxe does that is pretty awesome is they send you every piece of film you need plus one extra, so that way you can practice before you get to install the final one on there. So you're going to have one extra. That's just for practice. So we're going to zoom back and get these installed. Alright guys, so make sure, step one, obviously, pre-clean the area. So take your supplied alcohol, spray it on the light, on the rag, on both, doesn't matter. Just get it nice and clean. And quick thing here. On the 15 and up Chargers, since this is already black, the whole center of the light, you don't need to buy the full kit. The two outers and the two inners is all you really need. On the 11 to 14 Chargers, you're going to want to buy the whole thing because the whole light is actually red. So, let's see here. It's going to go like that. And this stuff is actually really forgiving. So, if you kind of start and it's messed up, you can pull it off and it will re-stick just fine. So. Make sure that it's cut good. And another thing I don't really like about this stuff is they don't give you a tab, a little extra tab to like hold it and line it up. So make sure your hands are clean, because if not, you're gonna have some nasty fingerprints. So it's the only downfall. And I like to just start right at the end of the light. Start at one corner, hold it, and pull it across the whole light. Again, extremely forgiving. Not the best thing to do in the heat because it's already hot and stretching. So. And you just start pushing it down at one corner. Once you get one side started and everything looks good, you can actually lift the whole thing up and just go right across. Of course, we'll use the supplied squeegee to help flatten it as we are going across, like that. Again, this is a dry application. I've tried to do it wet, and it was a colossal fail. So, do it dry. Take your time. Like I said, it's really forgiving, and I mean that's it. That's really all. wrap it around the edge. Looks awesome. I have to pick up this corner because I do have a little crease. Should have took it further back, but I didn't. There we go. Walk it back, just like that. Push it down with the squeegee. Mosquitoes are so bad. I'm sweating. It's hot. Hot and muggy in New York. 90 degrees and probably 60% humidity. I don't know how you Floridians do it. Alright, that's it guys. That is the first outer one. So now we're going to do the inner reverse now. That's going to be the same concept. So make sure you line it up first. Make everything look good. Peel the backing off. Just like that. Your squeegee. We're a little crooked. If it's crooked, no big deal. Take it off just like that and reapply it to when it looks straight. Again, doing this in 90-degree heat is not the best idea. But I've done it so many times. I'm okay with doing it in heat. For someone who's not really done it before, you're definitely going to want to try and do it when it's cooler out, or else you'll stress the crap out of it. So it's just a matter of getting it lined up and then working it across the rest of the way to get rid of any bubbles. There we go. And I do like to leave a little bit of extra and fold it over the edge, just because there is some white from the lens that does go around the edge. So you don't have to, but I think it looks better. Trunk a little bit, fold it around, and there you have it, guys. I'm going to do the other side off camera because you get the idea, but really quick and easy and simple. It just transforms the whole back of the car. It just looks so much cleaner. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for this video. Hopefully my couple of tips will help you install this stuff. Again, really straightforward and easy. I know I say it's easy because I've done it 100 times, but if you just do it when it's about 70 degrees, 75, even 65. I'm gonna say 65 to 75 degrees. You're gonna be able to do it much easier because it's not gonna be stretching when you pull it off to get work any bubbles out or anything like that. So Make sure your surface is clean. Make sure you do it at an optimal temperature, you know, 65 and 76, between 65 and 75, and just take your time. Remember, it is forgiving. That is it for this video, guys, and I will catch you on the next one.